Turkey building 31 warships to boost regional dominance and global power. Turkey's defense ministry revealed that Turkish shipyards are simultaneously building 31 naval ships, which are expected to meet the military's needs for the coming decades. These include an aircraft carrier and a destroyer. Ankara has been investing in its naval fleet for decades. Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's tenure in power since 2002 has accelerated numerous defense industry projects aimed at bypassing official and unofficial military embargoes imposed on Turkey due to its military operations against Kurdish armed groups within Turkish territories and beyond. The simultaneous construction of 31 ships marks a significant milestone not previously recorded. Some experts estimate the price tag for such an ambitious project could exceed $8 billion. This construction spree reflects Turkey's aspirations to project power not just within its immediate region but also as far as the Horn of Africa and the Indian Ocean. Yusuf Akbaba, an independent defense industry consultant, says the primary objective of this drive is to modernize the Turkish Navy by replacing aging ships with newer ones through its public and private shipyards. Turkey's navy has long operated second-hand frigates purchased from the US Navy and Germany decades ago. Ankara realized the need for a comprehensive overhaul of its navy during the 2020 Eastern Mediterranean crisis, when Turkey and Greece entered a maritime dispute over conflicting exclusive economic zone claims. The Eastern Mediterranean tensions highlighted Ankara's need for naval assets to safeguard its energy exploration and drilling vessels and, if necessary, face hostile warships without triggering a conflict. The timeline for completing such an ambitious project, including the new Turkish national submarine, could range from 3 to 5 years, while some projects, such as the national aircraft carrier, might take between 6 and 8 years. The submarine project is particularly significant as Ankara seeks to leverage its experience from the joint production of race-class submarines with Germany to develop air-independent propulsion technology domestically. Akbaba predicts that by 2030, Turkey's navy would include 1 aircraft carrier task group and 2 landing helicopter dock task groups. Turkey has already commissioned the drone-carrying amphibious assault ship TCG Anadolu into service, and its twin, TCG Trakya, is in the planning stages. One advantage Turkey enjoys is its ability to produce ships at significantly lower costs than European counterparts. It is evident that Ankara's ambitions extend beyond its traditional neighborhood, including the Horn of Africa. Sahot Govank, a professor of international relations and an expert on naval history, told MEE that the unprecedented prominence of the navy within the Turkish armed forces reflects a shift in Turkey's national security strategy. Overseas interests and commitments are now considered as important as territorial and forward defense. Turkey's overseas interests, particularly in Africa, demand that the Turkish navy develop global power projection capabilities.